Get ready for the most iconic bar crawl at sea on the world's largest cruise ship, Icon of the Seas, which is home to over 20 bars and lounges, many featuring signature cocktail menus, including the Schooner Bar, Boleros, the 1400 Lobby Bar, Bubbles Champagne Bar, Dueling Pianos, Lou's Jazz and Blues, the Hideaway Bar, 4 lime and coconut bars, including the brand new Frozen Cocktail Bar, the Overlook Bar, Giovanni's Wine Bar, Cantina Fresca, the Music Hall, Playmaker Sports Bar, Point Feather Pub, Spotlight Karaoke, the Trellis Bar, the Lemon Post, the Swim and Tonic, and the Rye and Bean.